The new Easy Edge corner plane has sparked a lot of interest. One question that we've been getting over and over again on social media and in emails and on the telephone is, how do you change the blades? Well, let me show you exactly how to do that. So the first step is to take it apart. Now there are 8 screws holding the body together. Once we have the 8 screws released, the body just lifts off, and there's the cutter with its adjustment wheel. That just lifts out. Now we have a left-hand nut, so it turns the opposite of the way you normally expect. But that just spins off the end. And then you have 2 identical washers on either side and a thrust washer that doesn't have a right or a left, an up or a down, but it does go on first. Okay, so let's put it back together. We're going to take one of the stainless washers, put it on here. On our thumb wheel, the side with the spring goes in first. And remember, it's a left-hand nut. Make sure that your thrust washer is there, the other stainless washer, and now we're ready to go back in. So we have everything assembled in the correct order. Now we're going to put this in the slot. We're going to start by angling the cutter and getting it in the groove. Then we'll take our compression tool, pinch the spring together, and it pops in. Now we're ready to take the other side, drop it on, and put our 8 screws back in. So whether you're changing profiles or resharpening your cutter, that's how you change the cutter in the new Easy Edge. Thanks for watching.